2 years of social media, what I've learned. I feel like looking back, quitting social media 2 years ago was probably the best decision that I've ever made. I can look back to 2 years ago when I was back on social media. I knew nothing about self improvement, I knew nothing about social detoxing, I knew nothing about spirituality, intellectualism, philosophy, anything. I was just a sheep among sheep. But then one day I decided, you know what? I'm tired of this lifestyle. I'm tired of being pathetic. I'm tired of feeling lonely. I'm tired of comparing myself to other people. I'm tired of feeling worthless. I'm tired of feeling like a bloody consumer. I'm tired of feeling like a product, you know? I'm tired of being enslaved by social media and these marketing apps and all these people on here telling you to do this, buy this, buy that. You know, when I quit social media, just for the first few months, first few weeks, it was really hard. I'm telling you, it was hard. I literally had to take my phone, put it under the bed. That's how hard it is. But then I realized that quitting social media was literally the most beneficial thing that my past self did for me. Because when I quit social media, I seen so many benefits. And one of the benefits was being in the present and mental clarity. I was really able to be in the present moment and stop being on social media thinking about what other people are up to, how are people feeling, and what's up with their lives. I realized that I have my own life and I should be based in my own reality. And what quitting social media helped me was going to my self-improvement journey to really improve myself, improve my mindset, improve my thinking, to really improve my body, my physique, and everything. As you can see here, my physique is literally, it's awesome. It's like the best I've ever been. I feel like that's the best physique for a 14-year-old. For me personally, I feel like ego aside, my physique is tops. So I was really able to like go to the gym, push every day, and literally go to the gym. Another thing, quitting social media, it gave me the time to do the things that I would not usually have because I was busy scrolling, instant gratification, and all that nonsense. So when I really quit social media, I started reading books. I started with self-improvement. I started reading How to Win Friends and Influence People, Think and Grow Rich, all the cliche type self-help books. But then I realized that I am more than self-improvement. You know, I went to spirituality, intellectualism, philosophy, and all that stuff. So quitting social media really helped me to really find myself outside of the web and all that stuff. And so really quitting social media really gave me the insight to really improve myself, to really learn about myself, and to really delve into really deeper conflict, deeper topics, other than just being constantly scrolling. I'm not saying that social media is all bad. You know, there's great things on social media. You can grow your business on social media. You can meet people on social media. You can inspire people on social media. But personally, for me, I feel like social media is like mental slavery. You know, you're just seeing a lot of stuff that won't benefit you. Like, how many posts do you see per day that really like, oh damn, this changed my life, oh damn, I'm ready to do something. So what I really like about YouTube is that you can explore your ideas in a full detailed way that can improve somebody's life. Like me giving you wisdom here is really better than me just quoting on Instagram. So personally, I value YouTube more. So really going off social media really gave me the time to like improve myself, improve my mindset, improve my outlook in life. And honestly, when I look back to like my life on social media back then, I can see myself as this depressed, little skinny kid who knew nothing about books, knew nothing about self-improvement, with just instant gratification, McDonald's every day, all the bad stuff, you know. So really quitting social media really gave me the time to really socially detox my brain and my 64 billion neurons. So really that's what helped me, you know, like just quitting social media. I literally went like 60 days. I would literally go 30 days to 60 days just putting my phone under my bed and literally not touching it, literally just going monk mode for like the longest of times. So really quitting social media, finalizing, is that it'll help you find mental clarity on yourself, to really discover yourself, to really go from all the bull stuff, to really go into self-improvement, to really improve your body, improve your mindset, improve how you look on your look on life, and really just improve yourself as a person, you know. So that's how 2 years of social media has affected me as a 14-year-old kid. It has really helped me find clarity, to just being present in the moment, really improving myself, and really just trying to improve other people's lives too, you know. You can comment down below what you thought about this video and how social media helped you to like quitting social media. How did it help you improve yourself and your self-improvement and spiritual journey as a person? You can like and subscribe if you want to. and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.